So today I'm going to show you how to make Southwest barbecue chicken, vegan style. So let's get started. First, get all of your ingredients. Cut up some romaine lettuce. And this is a good source of calcium, potassium, and vitamin C. We're going to cut 2 to 3 heads finely and put it in our bowl. Next, we're going to add some black beans, about a cup. And remember, this is a high source of carbohydrates, but it's also rich in fiber, so the body digests it slowly. Next, we're going to add some sweet corn, 1 cup, and this is a good source of protein. So we want to sprinkle that throughout our salad. And now we're going to add some jicama. This is a root vegetable. It's low in calories, but it's high in fiber, and it's a great source of calcium. It's commonly grown in Mexico, and it has a crunchy taste. I like it. Now we're going to add some red onions. We're going to chop that up finely, and it's great for cancer prevention and helps to lower your blood pressure. We're going to add that to our tomatoes. And remember, tomato is a superfood. It's great for vitamin C, and it protects against cancer. It also helps to decrease and help you to maintain your blood pressure. Now we're going to add some cilantro. It's good for vitamin C, and it's an anti-inflammatory. Then we're going to add some olive oil. This is used by some of the healthiest people in the world, a Mediterranean diet. It helps to decrease inflammation and to help to decrease the bad cholesterol, or LDL. Now we're going to brown some of our tofurkey plant-based chicken. So we're going to brown it on both sides on the grill. And remember, this is a good source of protein, and it has no cholesterol. So this helps with your heart health for sure. We're going to coat it with some barbecue sauce. And in my barbecue sauce, I'll put a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Try a little to see how you like it. Apple cider vinegar helps to kill harmful bacteria. And I like to add a little honey and sugar, brown sugar, to it so that it has a nice flavor to the barbecue sauce. We're going to coat our plant-based chicken with this, and we're gonna do it on both sides. So I'm just kind of demonstrating. You can put more on it if you like. So now that that's browning, we're gonna mix that mixture together of tomatoes, cilantro, and onions, and we're gonna put that on top of our salad. This is going to give it a great flavor. So we're going to spread that out. At the top, it makes a nice presentation. And now we're going to put a little more jicama. Remember, I said it's a crunchy taste. I like it. It's very delicious. Now that we have browned our plant-based chicken on both sides, we're going to scoop that up. And this salad is really good when it's freshly made because you have the cold salad and then you have the, warm chicken together. So now we're going to put that chicken right on top. It has a nice meaty flavor. And then we're going to add some avocado. Remember, avocado is great for cardiovascular health, and it's high in fiber. And I like the way it tastes, so. So we're gonna spread that around. And now I'm gonna add some tortilla strips. Gives it a nice crunchy flavor. I like crunch. I like texture in my salad. And it helps to make the salad a little more interesting, I think. So after I add my tortilla strips, there we go. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Now I'm gonna make a mixture of tofutti sour cream with salsa. That's gonna be the dressing for vegans. So tofutti sour cream, it's non-dairy, it's also kosher, but it does contain some soy. So if you're allergic to soy, you don't want to use it. But this will be your mixture. If you're not vegan, you can just use a ranch dressing, and that's it. You have your salad. If you like this recipe and you feel like this has been beneficial, could you please subscribe to my channel? Also, hit the like button and share it with as many friends as you can. I appreciate it so much. Thank you and enjoy. Bon appetit.